on a sunny street lived Tom the cat with soft white feet, and Jerry the mouse, so tiny and quick, who loved to play every clever trick. Tom would nap in the afternoon light, dreaming of cheese and chasing all night. But Jerry would giggle under the chair, whispering, "I know Tom's hiding somewhere." Tiptoe, tap-toe, Jerry would creep, while Tom pretended to be fast asleep. With a wiggle and a whisk and a swish of his tail, Tom would jump, but somehow fail. Crash went the table, bang went the pot. Jerry escaped like a speedy dot. He zoomed through a hole in the kitchen wall, so tiny, so clever, so speedy and small. Tom scratched his head and let out a sigh. How does that mouse just fly by? He tried a trap with cheese so sweet, but Jerry just danced on tiny feet. He nibbled the cheese and waved hello. "Better luck next time, Tom, you're too slow." Tom chased Jerry around the chair, over the sofa and up the stair. They slid on rugs and bumped on doors, rolled together across the floors, through the window and back inside. What a wild and silly ride! Sometimes they'd stop and share a snack, Jerry on a spoon, Tom on his back. They'd laugh and forget the chasing game, until tomorrow when it starts the same. For though they chase and run all day, deep in their hearts they love to play. Tom and Jerry, a funny pair, with mischief fun everywhere. So if you hear a crash or two and tiny footsteps running through, just smile wide and you will see it's Tom and Jerry in happy glee.